There was a young boy living in a crowded town, not poor, not rich, just comfortable enough to waste time. Every morning looked the same, late wake-ups, endless scrolling, talking about big dreams but doing nothing. He always said one thing with confidence: "I have plenty of time," and that belief was quietly destroying his future. He believed time was unlimited, that success was something you chase later. He watched others work while he waited. He planned his future but never started it. He told himself, "I'll get serious next year. I'll work hard when it really matters." Days passed, weeks passed, and nothing changed. What he didn't realize was simple: time doesn't wait for motivation. Every day, his mother warned him. She didn't shout, she didn't threaten. She only said one sentence: "Time leaves quietly." She told him, "Your future is being built today, not tomorrow." But the boy laughed. "You worry too much, I'm still young." And slowly, the mother stopped talking. Not because she agreed, but because she was tired of watching potential rot. Silence replaced advice. One day, the boy was sent to a village to visit relatives. No city noise, no distractions, just silence and time. That's where he met the man who changed everything. Every evening, the aged man sat outside carving wood, slow hands, sharp eyes. The boy asked him, "Why do you still work so hard at this age?" The man smiled. Not proud, not sad, just honest. "When I was your age," he said, "I thought time was something I owned. I said the same words you say now. I'll start tomorrow. I still have years." And then his voice dropped. One day, tomorrow stopped coming. He pointed at his hands. These hands were once strong. These legs once ran. This mind once dreamed. But I spent my best years waiting for the right moment. The boy stayed silent. The man leaned closer and said quietly, "Time doesn't steal from you. You give it away." He picked up the wood again and added, "Time doesn't warn you when it leaves. It only shows you what it took after it's gone." Then he said the words that shattered everything. People don't fail because they are weak. They fail because they delay. No one plans to waste their life. They just keep postponing it. He looked straight at the boy. If you waste today, you are stealing from the man you want to become. And the future never forgives thieves. That night, the boy couldn't sleep, not because he felt motivated, but because he was terrified. Terrified of waking up one day with regrets instead of results. He finally understood something most people learn too late. You don't lose time at the end of life. You lose it every day you choose comfort over effort. Time doesn't run out suddenly. It leaks slowly, minute by minute, choice by choice. And comfort is the most expensive thing you can buy with your life. The next morning, the boy woke up early, not motivated, aware, not because life became easy, but because excuses became expensive. And that's the truth. If you keep saying later, later will take everything from you.